Let's try this. Dog, look at this shit. Dog, I can't open my car door. Oh, look at this shit. God damn, this is crazy. Dog. Look at this shit. Dog, this is straight ice. Like, I ain't going nowhere. Look at this shit. Yeah, I ain't going nowhere, bro. Look at this. Bro, look how thick this motherfucker is. Bro, that's bro. You know, I'm from the South, bro. Like, we get snow, but we don't get no snow like this, bro. This is some crazy shit. No cap. Look at my car. Bro, it's like a popsicle. It's frozen. Gang, we got some alcohol and some water. Finna see this shit work. Well, I've been using it. You know, it's kinda working, but dog, I really got like a whole sheet of ice on my shit, bro. Like, come on, look. Okay, we're working with some oil though. Working with something though. So I'm about to get that check. That's all we trying to do is just get that check. That's all we trying to do. Need more water. It's working though. I can kind of tell it's starting a little bit. But that's some thick ass ice, bro. That's some thick ass ice. I can't cap. Dude, I can't even open the trunk. Hold up. God damn. Bro, I can't even open the fucking trunk. Dog, there's so much ice. I can't even open my trunk. Oh, fuck. God damn, this shit really frozen. Dog, how the fuck am I gonna get to work? Well, I've had my car on for like 30 minutes, bro. Like, look how deep this ice is, bro. Like, I know people from like New York and up north be saying this ain't shit. But where I'm from, this is some shit. This is some shit, bro. Like, it's freezing outside, bro. It ain't even that bad because, you know, I got all my shit on, but look how thick this shit is. Bro, this shit is thick, bro. There's no snow. We've had snow like this probably like one time. And that prophesied kind of did his thing though. Like, look how deep that shit is, bro. Yo, that's crazy. I ain't paying no pepper shit like this. Ever. Yo, the snow on me. Look at this. Look at this big ass shit. Look at this. Whew. I'm so glad I ain't gotta take my baby out in this type of weather, man. Look at this shit. Oh, this shit crazy. But yeah, man, look at my baby. Yeah, the tail light tints are kind of messed up, so I think I'm gonna knock that little side black shit off and just keep like, this part black, you feel me? But yeah.